What are your threats of the Indian condor? The threats faced by the Indian condor include 1. Habitat loss and fragmentation due to agriculture, mining, logging, and urbanization. 2. Hunting and poaching for their feather, bones, and other body parts, which are used in traditional medicine. 3. Poisoning from ingesting carcasses of livestock that have been killed by farmers using pesticides, leading to a decline in their population. 4. Climate change, which is altering the condor's traditional breeding and feeding habits by changing the availability of food, water, and nesting sites. 5. Collision with power lines and wind turbines, which can lead to serious injuries and death. 6. Human disturbance such as tourism and recreation activities, which can interfere with breeding, nesting, and feeding. All of these threats have contributed to the decline of the Indian condor population, which is considered to be vulnerable to extinction. Conservation efforts to protect and restore their habitat, reduce hunting and poisoning, and mitigate other threats are crucial to their survival. What is done to protect it? Several conservation efforts are being undertaken to protect the Indian condor, which is currently listed as a near-threatened species by the International Union for Conservation of Nature (IUCN). Here are some ways in which it is being protected. 1. Habitat conservation. Protecting the natural habitat of the Indian condor is crucial for its survival. Efforts are being made to conserve the natural landscapes where these birds are found. 2. Captive breeding. Several captive breeding programs have been established to breed Indian condors in captivity. These programs aim to increase the population of the species and release them into the wild. 3. International cooperation. International organizations such as the IUCN and the Convention of International Trade in Endangered Species of Wild Fauna and Flora are working towards the international of Indian condors by implementing regulations and policies that protect them.